Good morning, my dear friends and all English lovers. I welcome you to this exclusive video which covers the topic acronym. My dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. Friends, in one of our previous videos, we have covered the topic synonyms and antonyms. In this video, let us try to learn in detail about the words called acronyms. Before that, please subscribe to this channel. In order to subscribe, click on the subscription option provided here on the right side corner of this video. Please note that subscription is completely free of cost. My dear friends, before we proceed further and try to learn as to how the word acronym has been derived, from which language it has come and all other things, let us directly take some examples and study them in detail so that learning of the word acronym in detail will become easy for an English learner. Let us take the first example. So let us take the word NASA. There is no such word called NASA. It is a derived word. I mean to say, the word like NASA, ISRO, NATO, they are not there in English dictionary. These three words have been derived. From where they have been derived? So the word NASA has been derived from the words National Aerospace Agency. National Aerospace Agency, it is a premier space research organization in United States of America. Here, the first letter of the word national, that is N, then first letter of the second word aero, first letter of the word 3 space, and first letter of the last word agency. All these have been taken and the word NASA has been derived. It is not pronounced as NASA, it is directly pronounced as a word. This word is called acronym. Similarly, ISRO. It is not pronounced as ISRO. It is directly pronounced as a word ISRO. It is derived from the groups of four words. They are Indian Space Research Organization. It is another premium space research organization in India. Indian, the first letter of the word Indian, that is I, first letter of the word space, that is S, first letter of the word research, that is R, and first letter of the last word organization. So ISRO have been taken and it is pronounced as a word ISRO. Therefore, ISRO is called acronym. Similarly, the word NATO has been derived from the groups of words North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Now, after having understood as to what is the meaning of acronym, now let us proceed and try to learn as to how this word acronym has been derived. My dear friends, the word acronym means the first or initial letter of each word from a group of each word is taken and that new word formed is pronounced as a word. Such word is called acronym, which we have clearly understood by the previous three examples. Let us see as to how the word acronym has been originated. The English word acronym has come from Greek word, from Greek to German, and then from German to English. German root words are AKR and ONYMON. The English meanings or English derivation of these German root words are AKR is ACR and ONYMON means ONYM onym. Let us proceed further and try to learn in detail as to how the word acronym has come from Greek, Greek to German, and then to English. Dear friends, let us try to learn in detail as to how the word acronym has come from different languages. Here is, we have got the source name or the language name. Then we have got the actual name which pertains to the word acronym. Then we have got root name 1 and root name 2. The word acronym has actually come from Greek language initially. The actual name of the word is AKRONYM, acronym. Root name 1 is AKROS, which means height or tip in English language. Root name 2 is ONYMA, onima, which in English means name. Then from Greek, the word acronym went to German language. In German, the actual word which belongs to the word acronym is AKRONYMON, acronymon. The root name 1 is AKR and root name 2 is ONYMON, onymon, which means AKR means height or tip and onymon means name. Finally, from German, the word acronym has been derived in English. The actual word is ACRONYM. The root name 1 is ACR, which means height or tip or summit, and ONYM, the root name 2, which means name in actual English. Let us proceed further and try to learn in detail as to how it is originated in each language separately. Dear friends, let us try to learn in detail as to how the word acronym has been derived in each language. In Greek language, there are two root words. The first one is AKROS, acros, and the second root word is ONYMA, onima. The actual English meaning of the word AKROS in English is end or peak, and the actual English name of the word ONYMA is name. So, acronym is an abbreviation made by the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a single word. Dear friends, let us once again study in detail as to how the word acronym in English has been derived from German language. In German language, there are two root words, AKR and ONYMON. The actual English meaning of the word AKR in German is summit or tip. Then the actual English meaning of the word ONYMON is name. So finally, once again, acronym is an abbreviation made by the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a single word. Friends, let us take one more set of examples to clearly understand the meaning of the word acronym. So let us take the word PIN, pin, RAM, ram, and LAN, LAN. All these words have been formed by using the first letter of each of the groups of words. For example, postal index number is a group of 3 words. The first letter of first word, that is postal, P, has been taken. First letter of the second word, index, that is I, has been taken, and first letter of the last word, number, has been taken, and the word PIN has been derived. And it is not pronounced as PIN, but it is pronounced as pin. That is the meaning of the word acronym. Similarly, the word RAM, random access memory, R from the word random, A from the word access, M from the word memory, RAM, has been taken, and it is not pronounced as RAM, but it is pronounced as a word RAM. Similarly, local area network, L from the word local, A from the word area, N from the word network, and the word LAN has been formed. Friends, this is the actual meaning of the word acronym. Dear friends, let us try to conclude the process of learning the word acronym. Acronym means from a group of words, initial or first letter from each word is taken and the new word formed is pronounced as a word. That word is called acronym. Dear friends, here is a small exercise to you. After learning the word acronym, then what is initialism? wait for the video regarding initialism very soon. Dear friends, I hope the content provided in this video is more useful to you. If so, please give a like to this video and also put your comments and suggestions in the description box. Share this video with your friends and other people. Also, subscribe to this channel. In order to subscribe, click on the subscription option provided here on the right side corner of this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you very soon with another new exclusive video on this channel. Learn English words daily.